show you how to use the stamp tool in the Photoshop app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the left column, and here we have the clone stamp tool. We click on this, click on the corresponding layer first. You can set the size of the brush. Here we use option click to define the area from where we want to clone, and then here we can start painting like this over the image to remove something or to add something, depends on what we want. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.